Okay, good morning, student. Uh, Assignment number 2, Maths Part 2, Pythagoras, second part, including problem set. First, we will start with MCQ. Which is Pythagorean triplet? It is given. So the smallest round figure Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so first answer is B. First answer is B. 3, 4, 5. Right angle triangle, if the sum of the square of side making right angle is 169, then what will be the length of diagonal? So diagonal square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. This is directly given 169. So it is 13. That is B answer. That is also B. Next, out of the date of given below, which date is Pythagorean triplet? 8, 16, 16 not possible. 5, 3, 7 not possible. 5, 9, 15 also not possible. 15, 8, 17. Start with 15, 8, 17. It is given 8, 15, 17. In last lecture, I have given one idea that you select smaller one. So 8, 8 is a 64. Rest of 2, instead of adding, subtraction, square, subtraction of the square. So 1 time plus, 1 time minus. That is why this is Pythagorean triplet. That is A. A, B, C are the side of right angle triangle. A square plus B square is equal to C square. If A square plus B square is equal to C square, so formula of Pythagoras is given. So is it a triangle? Is it a right angle triangle? Yes, it is a right angle triangle. So C option. To find the parameter, but the diagonal is 10 root 2 centimeter. So side is equal to diagonal by root 2 centimeter. So 10 root 2 by root 2, that is 10. And parameter is 4s. So 40 is the answer. D option 40. Altitude of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle divides into two. Altitude of the hypotenuse right angle triangle divides two proportion 4 and 9. This divided into two part, 4 and 9. This is x. So geometric mean x square is equal to 9 into 4. 36. X is equal to 6. 6. So C option. Height and base of right angle triangle are given. Find the hypotenuse. 24, 18. There are three options. in MCQ how to judge. Height is given, base is given, we have to find out the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of right angle triangle. So 24 not possible, because this must be more than 24, more than 18. This is not possible. 15 also less than this, highest side cannot be less than both. 18 also not possible, more than this, which is remain. No need to do the calculation. Follow? Now in right angle triangle ABC, highest is 12, this is half, this is 6 root 3. So opposite to which is it is half, opposite to 30 it is half, opposite to 60 it is root 3 by 2, half and root 3. So now find measure angle of ABC. CAB. So BC is 6, BA is this. So measure angle A is equal to 30. How I have judged? From the hypotenuse, this is exactly half. So it must be opposite to 30. This is root 3 by 2. So it must be 60. Root 3 half into root 3. Second question, very important. Find the height of the equilateral triangle having side 2A. First, equilateral triangle. Side is equal to 2A. Height formula is equal to side into root 3 by 2. So side is what? 2A root 3 by 2. This cancel. Root 3A or A root 3. Otherwise, you will write both under root 3. Under root the means I want to say this you have to write. Otherwise, this you can extend, so all will be under root. So this is not the correct. The 7, 24, 25 is a right angle triangle. 7, 24, 25. Don't take highest, take smallest. 7 square is 49. 25 square, 24 square. One time plus, one time minus. So both are equal. So yes, it is a right angle triangle. Find the length of the diagonal having the side 11 and 60. 11, 60. So A, B, C, D. In right angle triangle ABC, ABC, AB square, BC square, AC square. 11 square, 60 square, AC square. 1 to 1, 3600, 3721. It is 61. 11, 60, 61. It is also a triplet. From that also you can judge. Find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle if remaining sides are 9 and 12. 9 and 12. This is 3 threesa. This is 3 fourza. 3, 4, 5 is a triplet. 3, 4, 5. All are threesa, threesa, threesa. So it must be 15. By Pythagoras, you can calculate. If a side of isosceles right angle triangle, side is given, side x, x, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to side into root 2. So it is x root 2. Root 5, root 8, root 3. Three numbers are given. It is a right angle triangle or not? So root 8 square is equal to 8. Root 5 square plus root 3 square is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. It is a right angle triangle. Now highest is root 8, next to root 3, next to root 5. So root 3, root 5, what is the common? Root 3, root 5, what is common? Highest, sorry, here 8, 8. Root 8, root 3. Root 8, root 3. P is a common. Root 5, root 8, what is common? Q is common. So this is R. Now from that you can judge opposite to highest side, that is 90 in right angle triangle. Thirty, 90, 60. 30 is T, 90 is S, RST. RT is 12. Now from that RS is equal to RT by 2. Opposite to 30 is hypotenuse by 2. So 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Opposite to 60, ST, root 3 by 2 of RT. Opposite of hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2, 12. 6 root 3. So this is 6 root 3. This is 6. Same measurement they have given in MCQ. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length are 16 centimeter and area is 192. We have to find out AC. Length is 16, height we don't know, this also we don't know, but the area is 192. So area of rectangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to base into height. So 192 is equal to 16. So x is equal to 192 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16 twos are. So it is 12. This is 4 threes are. This is 4 fours are. 4 is common. 3, 4, 5. 4 fives are. So it should be 20. But we will find out. In right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 12 square plus 16 square AC square. 144, 256, 400, so height also we got, hypotenuse also we got. Find the length of the side and the parameter of an equilateral triangle whose height is root 3. Equilateral triangle, height is equal to root 3. So side is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. So side is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3. So 3 by 2. Hypotenuse is given. Sorry, height is given. Sorry, it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle height is given. So height is equal to, extremely sorry, my formula is wrong. So root 3 cancel. So S is equal to 3. Parameter is equal to 3 into side. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Side into side. Two to the 4, 2 to the 4. It is area. So centimeter square. Seven, 8, 9 cancel. Let's see the 10th one. Pranali and Prasad started walking to east and to north. North, east from here. Same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 12, 15 root 2 kilometer. 12, 15 root 2 kilometer. From A to B, from A to C, now B to C is 15 root 2 it is giving. Pranali Prasad. Name. Speed. With same speed. Time. 2 hours. So the distance. Speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Same speed after 2 this much distance, okay, kilometer. This is speed in kilometer per hour. So this much is 2x, this much is 2x. Same point, same speed, same time. So we got the distance. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square, AC square, 2x square, 2x square, 15 root 2 square. So 4x square plus 4x square is equal to 15, 15s are 225 into 2, root 2, root 2, 2. So it is 8x square, 225. So remove this 2, 4x square, 4x square, 225. Take square root of all. 2x, it is 15. So x is equal to 7.5. Correct. So AB is equal to BC 2x 2 times 7.5, 15 kilometer. So the speed that we have considered x, that is kilometer per hour. In 1 hour 7.5 kilometer. 11th, very important. This is midpoint. This is a midpoint. M, L, A, this is 90. This is B, this is C. These two are equal. These two are equal. What exactly we have to prove? 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. For BL square, I will take this much triangle. ALB. For CM square, I will take this much triangle. Correct. First, I will find out BL square. BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. right angle triangle ABL. Pythagoras. This will be same. This will be same. But AL is equal to AC by 2. AL is equal to AC by 2. That you have to substitute. Taking square. BL square. AB square. AC square by 4. 2 to the 4. Now all multiply by 4. 4, 4. So 4BL square plus 4AB square plus AC square. Multiply by 4, 4 for cancel. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Simplify squaring. Multiply by 4. Same, exactly same. Same in this. CM square is equal to CA square plus AM square. Right angle triangle AMC. So CM square, CA square is full. MA is equal to half of AB. Taking square, CM square, CA square, AB square by 4. Simplify. See, same, I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 4. 4 CM square, CA square, AB square here 4. Multiply by 4. Okay. Now this and this I will add. Add first, second. Left side 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to 4AB square plus AC square plus 4AC square plus AB square. So 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5AB square, 5AC square. 5 common. AB square, AC square. So ABAC is BC square by Pythagoras. AB square, AC square is equal to BC square. Correct. This is by adding first and second. Simplify. Means 4 plus 1, 5 I have done. 5 common I have taken. Now I have given the reason. Now this set is proved. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps this side for second triangle, then add again 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 4, 4, 4, exactly 12 steps. And it should be rhythmic, no need to mug up. If the concept is clear, very easily you will get the answer. Okay, next question. Why today are so many less students? Christmas started or enjoyment started? Next one is very important and very easy, concept based. In digest they have given, in solution they have given in a very long way, in a very short. I'll see you. I'll show the this solution in slightly different way. to prove 2ab square 2ac square plus bc square. Let CD is equal to x, given that BD is 3 times CD, therefore it is 3CX. This is 3 times of this. If this is x, this is 3x. So CB is equal to CD plus DB is equal to x plus 3x is equal to 4x. This is considered. Condition is given by addition of segment. This much done. Now forget. Now I want AB square. AB. So in this square.
Sir, only 1 minute left.
How it is unlimited? No.
No, sir. From this day, it is not.
Let's see how much can complete. ABC, AD square, DB square. AB square. AD means what? AC square minus CD square plus DB square. Now AC square, AB square is equal to AC square. CD means x square. This is 3x square. So AC square minus x square plus 9x square. So AC square plus 8x square. I want 2. So all multiply by 2. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 16x square. So this will be same. This will be same. This is 4 overall x square. And what is 4x? That is BC square. So hence it is proved. So by Pythagoras theorem, substituted AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Substituted value in x